Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to another colorful episode of It's the Vibe with Siddharth, powered by HMD Vibe 5G, human mobile devices who are also the proud mobile phone partners for FC Barcelona. So if you're a football fan, we are your jam. Guys, colors bring energy to your life. Colors bring warmth to your life. And I'm going to talk to somebody today who knows a thing or two about colors. The superstar from the South industry, all the way from Chennai, come and talk to us is Pavitra Lakshmi. Pavitra?
Hi Siddharth, is that why you're wearing white?
Yes.
Talk so much about colors, HMD, Vibe 5G, but colors, we have the purest Siddharth here.
Because you, that's what I said. You know a thing or two about colors, not me.
Yeah, maybe a thing or two, yes. I wouldn't give myself a lot of credit, but...
Did you always know about colors or like you kind of kept learning?
See, colors, when you talk about colors, I somehow tend to relate it more to psychology. And you tend to associate everything with your brain and the belief system your brain has built about that thing over the period of time of your life. So colors have, every different colors according to me are like different emotions. Like in Tamil we call it Varnajalam. And
What do you call it?
It's called Varnajalam.
Varnajalim.
Varnajalam.
Varna, मैं बता रहा हूँ जालिम.
It's the magic of colors.
The magic of colors.
So colors tend to do a lot of magic to any and everybody. See, for somebody like me, if I look at a room full of colors, I'll find it very enthusiastic. But for a person who's very introverted in nature, sees a room full of colors, finds it more triggering, right? So colors tend to have different memories for different people. And I think, as you said, I might know a couple of things about colors. Yeah, I think it's red. It's always been red, my favorite color, and a color that has a lot of memory associated with it. I would always call it red because I always saw my mother wearing a fearful red bindi. I always saw all the goddesses that I worshipped wearing fearful red bindi. And I always saw hot women going out on dates wearing red dresses. So I think, yeah, red.
तभी आज तुम रेड पहन के आई हो.
Yeah, always.
और रेड बिंदी क्यों नहीं लगाई फिर?
See, sometimes wearing a red bindi on a dress like this tends to take the style quotient out of it. But the reason that I didn't wear a red bindi today probably is because I don't want Siddharth to get extremely attracted.
मैं ब्लिंकिट से एक रेड बिंदी मंगा रहा हूँ. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि तुम पे कैसी लगेगी रेड बिंदी. मेरा फोन कहाँ? मैं एक रेड बिंदी मंगाऊंगा.
I have it in my suitcase for you.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
Alright guys, खाली It's a Vibe with Siddharth powered by HMD पे ये होता है जब गेस्ट मिड पॉडकास्ट जाके अपनी बिंदी लगा के आते हैं. And you guys are the judge. I think all our crew behind the camera feels this is looking so beautiful.
Thank you so much. I think North Indians are very specific about what they want.
Yeah.
And they made me wear bindi on top of a cord and a jacket. Yeah, that's how specific they are. And it's cruel that you've done that to me, Siddharth. It's very cruel.
Cruel? Why? I
Cruel
think it's so kind for my audience.
It's so kind for your audience, but for the audience that are watching me as a stylist I am, they are going to look at me and they're going to tell, oh, she's wearing bindi on top of cords and probably a jacket here.
Yeah, I think you should sleep with a bindi, wake up with a bindi, do everything with a bindi because the bindi on you looks like it was made for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks to my South Indian genes. Thanks to my mom.
Because of my North Indian genes, I want to ask you, what is the craziest color combination you've ever tried?
It's neon.
And it worked.
Neon green on top of orange.
Neon green orange are my favorite.
I did it in a dance reality show. I mean, I started
Dude,
my
neon green and orange are my favorite colors.
Really?
I swear to God, I have like my sports shoes are neon green and orange has been my favorite.
See, I think a lot of people are comfortable wearing flashy colors on their footwear. But I don't know how far people are comfortable about flashy colors as their attire. But I'm talking about this 10 years, exactly 10 years down the lane when I was into a reality show and I had to do a performance based on folk dances down south, and I chose to wear an orange top paired with a neon green. You call it kacham. It's something that that imitates a sari.
It's called what?
Kacham.
Kacham.
Yeah, it's a style how men wear dhotis.
Yeah.
Something like that. So an orange top with a neon green kacham, and I thought which might look funny on screen actually worked. Actually worked for the song and for the vibe. I think it.
मुझे एक बात बताओ. I want to know. You're such a big star in your own way, right?
I aspire to be one.
No,
Am I
but
one
in South,
already?
you're pretty big, right? When are we seeing
Maybe.
you? When are we seeing you in North? Where like हिंदी सिखाने की देर है तो वो तो मैं सिखा सकता हूँ.
Whenever Sanjay Leela Bansali is willing to cast me.
संजय लीला बंसाली तो खुद ही कास्ट नहीं हो पा रहा.
It's not a crime to dream big. Whenever Sanjay Leela Bansali.
You are dreaming very small. संजय लीला बंसाली खुद काम नहीं है. But you know, with all due respect, हो now मुझे तो नहीं लेने वाला. तो मैं कुछ ही बोल सकता हूँ. But how good are you in Hindi?
I can understand that you're talking in Hindi as long as you're talking in
Yeah,
Hindi.
understand तो कोई भी कर सकता है.
फिर वापस बोलना चाहिए. I don't have the proper grammar.
पंजाबी बोल दिए?
Punjabi nahi. I've not even reached Hindi. Let's take it step by step. I've just reached kindergarten in Hindi. Let me finish Hindi, then go to Punjabi, Gujarati.
So let's say if you're given a choice, a great Punjabi or a Delhi guy, would you marry a Delhi or a Punjabi guy who's a great guy, or
See,
somebody who's lesser than that guy but he's South Indian? You would go for that.
Transfer this analogy into a great movie, like a great movie in Punjabi. Of course, I'd love to learn Punjabi, and I'm very linguistic. My linguistic interests have always been very inclined, and
Yeah.
I loved learning new languages right from childhood. I can speak all four South Indian languages. So
What are the 4 South Indian languages?
Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu.
Tamil,
Tamil.
Malayalam,
Malayalam,
Kannada,
Kannada,
Telugu.
Telugu,
I
yeah.
knew this. It was for my audience.
Yeah, at least 4 major South Indian languages I can talk. And my linguistic interests have always been on inclination right from my childhood. So if I'm given an opportunity to star in a great Punjabi movie, then I'd love to learn Punjabi. Then after that I can think about
वो
the
तो मेरे
guy.
को पंजाबी होते हुए नहीं मिली अभी तक. But तुमको मिल सकती है because Punjabi guys they love South Indian women.
Really? I've never
You know
met
what I
any
mean?
Punjabi in my life.
You know what I mean?
My bad.
Pavitra, I want to ask you something.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
The reality shows you've done, right? Most of them have been in South, right?
Yeah. All of them.
All of them, right? Any plans for doing reality shows towards this side of the country or this side of the world?
See, for me, work is work, irrespective of the language or the genre or the ethnicity it carries. I would love to work in any genre, any ethnicity, and any linguistic background, irrespective of where I come from. For me, work is work. I like being in front of the camera. I like working in front of the camera as an artist because that's the only profession you get to be anything and everything, and that shoots by day. So I'd love to be part of anything that is amazing, irrespective of the ethnicity or the language background. Yeah,
I'm amazing.
you are, no doubts in that.
So you could be a part of me. Who do you think is more colorful when it comes to life? Is it South Indians or is North Indians?
It's neither. It's neither.
It's
it is
not Indians at all.
it is not Indians at all. I think it's people of Europe that are very colorful.
Oh my God, they're so bland.
They are God's favorite children. You know, they're God's.
That's what they tell us.
They tell us, and
But we are God's favorite children because we have color.
we have color in our skin, but they have color everywhere. Like you go to Europe, you turn every angle that your head could tilt in, you see colors, and you see a lot of character. It's not just about colors. You can just paint a lot of colors in everywhere you live, and you can make it appear colorful. But for you to feel colorful, for you to feel that that vibrance inside you, it needs a lot of detailing. It needs a lot of characteristics, and I think with development of whatever we call modernization or the current era it is, we've lost a lot of detailing. Simplicity has cut down a lot of detailing. But when you travel to Europe, you see detailing every place, every pavement, every street has its own characteristics, and that I call color.
Yeah.
Rather than
So you don't call Diwali color?
Diwali is colourful.
Over here, Diwali has so many colors. Even पटाखों में color है, हर चीज में color है.
Yeah, Diwali is a very colorful
Huh.
festival. I do not have doubts in that. But that doesn't mean it compensates to the loss of characteristics that we've lost in the development of whatever we call as modernization. We as Indians, the major drawback I think is letting go of what our roots are.
See, that's why I didn't let go of your bindi. Those are our roots.
I agree. But Bindi was never a root of us. Do you know that?
How come?
Bindi was never a root of South Indian.
No. See, again, bindi was root of India, no?
Bindi was root of India.
Yeah,
yes,
so
I
then
do
why
agree.
are you discriminating? What is South India? I want to tell everybody, there's no South India, there's no North India. There's only India.
It is. See,
Right?
until
And
you're
you and me, we can set an example.
in India, the moment you step out of India, you're brown people, irrespective if you come from North, you're Punjabi, or your skin is shining
no,
pearly white.
no.
You are just a brown person for them. So
At
stop
heart,
discriminating.
outside, I'm not so brown.
Outside or not brown, it just matters how you're inside.
But I
your
love
heart.
brown.
You love brown? Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
very evident.
But brown with a bit of a red.
Very evident, very evident. See, brown with a bit of red is nice, but all these discriminations are only contained until we are in the country. Once you step out of the country, irrespective if you are from north or south, or you speak Tamil or Hindi, whatever is that you speak, you're a brown person.
हिंदी कब सीखने वाली हो तुम?
I am learning.
नहीं बोलने लायक. अब से हिंदी में बात करेंगे शो पर. पवित्रा हिंदी कब से सीख रहे हो आप?
सीखना चाहिए, बट अभी मेरे को हिंदी बहुत खराब है.
चलो ऐसा करते हैं.
हाँ.
Next 5 minutes in this podcast, I will talk in a Hindi, Chennai, South Indian accent.
You're talking Hindi in Chennai, South Indian
हाँ.
accent. Wow, I am going to love this.
अम्मा,
Uh-huh.
ऐसा नॉर्थ इंडियन दिखता है अम्मा, पर मेरा अम्मा चेन्नई से था.
Uh-huh.
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है.
और मेरा अब्बा दुबई से था.
Dubai, okay. You're a very weird combination though. But see, that's what made you hot. Chennai, Dubai, both hot places.
So now you agree that I'm hot.
I've agreed from the beginning here. Who tells Siddharth is not hot?
Thank you.
And it goes two way.
हाँ.
When I call, see, my mom always used to tell me, when you receive something, you're supposed to give something. So compliment is always
Okay.
like that. And I tell you are hot, you're supposed to.
पर वो डिपेंड करता है तुम्हारी मम्मा किस जोन में बोल रही है. When you receive something, you give something, because इसमें ना डिफरेंट मूड है. पता है एक अगर देखो इसमें क्या होता है, कभी-कभी होता है
Great people tend to give great golden words. It's us.
नहीं कभी-कभी वर्ड्स नहीं होता ना. Receive
It's
something.
us to implement that in everything we see.
कभी-कभी वर्ड्स नहीं होता. Receive something, give something में
Don't
वर्ड्स नहीं
judge a
होता.
book by its cover.
नहीं
Set for books.
मैं तो पूरी पढ़ता हूँ.
हाँ, it's set for books, but we tend to put it for human
नहीं
beings
आप
also.
ये सेम चीज हिंदी में बोलो.
If I start talking in Hindi, all of you all.
नहीं हिंदी में बोलो. नहीं यार क्या हो गया? ऐसी तो
नहीं
प्रैक्टिस
हो
होगी.
गया, मेरे हिंदी हो गया.
ऐसी तो प्रैक्टिस होगी.
Practice. Okay, आप
हाँ.
teach me.
टीच क्या करना है? आप बात करते रहो.
मैं बात करते लो.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो मेरे को तो लग रहा है बहुत सही हिंदी है.
The signature Hindi
हाँ.
word that
अच्छा
Hindi
अगर
statement that all
अच्छा अगर
words.
तुम्हारी हिंदी को
हाँ.
एक कलर दिया जाए
मेरी हिंदी को एक कलर.
तो तुम कौन सा कलर दोगी?
Pink. Immature. So I always tend to relate
हाँ.
pink to innocent and immature.
हाँ.
Just like I am.
अच्छा
मेरे रंग है.
तुम्हारा फेवरेट हीरो कौन है साउथ में?
Superstar. Always.
कौन?
Superstar रजनीकांत.
रजनीकांत. ओके अगर मैं हम जिसने आज ये पॉडकास्ट को पॉसिबल बनाया है जो हमारे स्पॉन्सर हैं HMD Wi-Fi.
HMD Wi-Fi we are with Siddharth and असली सिद्धार्थ को असली माइंड क्या है? Let's answer. Let's
अच्छा.
sorry. Let's get into the question.
अच्छा अगर इनको एक हीरो बनाया जाए साउथ में तो तुम इनको क्या बनाओगे?
Siddharth. There's never.
अभी मैं
there's-
साउथ का हीरो थोड़ी हूँ.
You can become, no?
I can
You
ना?
can,
तो मेरे को
of-
पिक्चर दिला दो ना साथ में। मेरे को दिला दो यार कसम से।
We'll definitely do
सोनू
one.
सूद ने तो पैसे बना
If
लिए
only
साथ
I
में।
was that influential. Thanks, Siddharth, for always looking at me at a very high place. But if only I was
नहीं मैं
that...
तुमको नॉर्थ में दिला दूंगा पिक्चर।
Uh-huh.
कसम से कह रहा हूँ। You'll get a movie in Punjab for sure.
Yeah?
Dude, you have no idea how beautiful you are.
Oh, thank you. Somebody has to give that reminder for all women.
I don't think anybody's telling you enough, but you need to be told every moment of your life how beautiful you are.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I think
पर
beauty
बिंदी लगा के रखना फिर उससे फिर नहीं तो फिर कम हो जाती है.
beauty isn't in the looks. It is how you carry yourself, irrespective of what's thrown on you. You can walk on garbage and still look beautiful.
But if you look beautiful to me, I would never let you walk on garbage.
No,
See,
I
nobody cares about how a man feels, and we're not supposed to feel. We're supposed to work.
No, I think
Men
I
are
do
supposed to work.
give a
Women are
lot.
supposed to feel.
I think I do give a lot of importance in understanding how a man feels, leave alone how my man feels.
यार अब तुम ये बोलना चाह रही हो कि you give importance to how I feel.
Of course, yes. I
उतार लो
agree.
कि बिंदी बिंदी
See,
खत्म ना पड़
why
जाए.
else am I wearing a red? See, I'm just. So chumma is something.
चुम्मा
Chumma means a different meaning in Hindi.
kiss, no?
Kiss, yeah. But in फिर से, chumma means फिर से.
तुम्हारा हिंदी में
Simply.
सबसे फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है?
A very old song, but that was the first ever song that I danced for in my school. It's called Aja Nachle.
आजा नचले, नी आजा नचले.
नहीं. This is Madhuri Dixit's Aja Nachle, Nachle, mere pyar.
तुम इतनी यंग हो?
Sorry?
आजा नचले तो मेरे बुढ़ापे में आया है.
I was a kid when I performed that in my
Really?
school. Yeah.
I was also a kid when I heard it.
You're still a kid at heart, Siddharth.
I am.
don't think.
I
people
don't
have
think
seen it
anybody. No, people have. Everybody knows. Everybody knows I'm a kid. This is why even on my face I have not grown because I think the biggest thing until I die, and I'm very honest about this, I will never let the kid inside me die.
enough. So I agree with
पता है आज
this.
मैं तुमको एक बात बताता हूँ. मैं सबको बताता हूँ. ओए, सब सुनो ये बात. ये बिग बॉस से बात, ठीक है? मैं अपने क्रू को भी बताता हूँ. ये किसी को नहीं बताया मैंने कभी कैमरा पे. तो बिग बॉस का
आज रात 9 बजे बिग बॉस हाउस पे अंदर. Yes, Siddharth. So you were telling me about.
तुम्हारे इतना प्यारा बिग बॉस होता है. हमारे तो 9 बजे बिग बॉस के घर में.
See, it is not the big boss का प्यार, it's मेरे प्यार.
मैं बता रहा हूँ कि HMT अपनी स्पॉन्सरशिप हटा लेगा. ये कहा अपनी शादी की वीडियो लग जाएगा. Okay, so I was going to tell you something from Big Boss which I have not told anybody.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Guys, note it down.
It was about not.
Exclusive secrets.
It was about not letting your inner child die. तो लास्ट वीक था बिग बॉस का. मैं स्मोकिंग रूम में सिगरेट पी रहा था.
Smoking is injurious to health. Yeah. Anyways, they'll put it down. I said it.
हाँ नहीं, मैं स्मोकिंग रूम में खड़ा था. तो बिग बॉस में क्या होता है, आप जो पीछे का क्रू है उसको ना देख सकते हो ना सुन सकते हो. बट कभी कभी क्रू मेक्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ मिस्टेक एंड दे डोंट रियलाइज दैट अ कंटेस्टेंट इज स्टैंडिंग एंड दे टॉक बिकॉज दे डोंट थिंक दैट द कंटेस्टेंट कैन हियर. तो मैं खड़ा था, लास्ट वीक की बात थी. तो लास्ट वीक में सबको ऐसा होता है क्योंकि 5 फाइनलिस्ट हैं, सो एवरीबडी फील्स कि यार मैं जीत जाऊं, है ना. तो पीछे से आवाज़ आ रही थी, 2 बात कर रहे थे क्रू वाले. मैं ऐसे खड़ा हूँ सिगरेट, तो खड़े हो गया. बोलता है कि मेरे को लगता है सिद्धार्थ जीतना चाहिए यार. तो वो दूसरा बोलता है हाँ उसका दिल बच्चे जैसा है एकदम, कुछ भी बोलता है पर दिल से बोलता है. सो द थिंग इज at that time I was actually very young, I was 24. But I realized one thing. See, why everybody loves kids, right? When you see a kid or you see a puppy, you always like, most people, like you have to be a really bad person to not connect with the kid, right?
Because they're unfiltered.
Right,
and-
not unfiltered. Because their brain is not exposed to the
That's what I meant when I said unfiltered.
right.
Yeah.
Of course.
A lot of people, secretive thing that I've not told elsewhere. Let me also tell you a very secretive thing that I've not told elsewhere. You might have heard a lot of women accept their proposal or propose to a guy telling, "I want to grow old with you." When the person I was in a relationship with said that he liked me, I agreed to it, and I said to him, I want to remain the child with you.
देखो या तो तुम नाम लो और हमें बताओ अगर कोई फेमस है तो हमारी ऑडियंस को मजा है. हमारी ऑडियंस को ऐसा कोई वो पर्सन विद
So this relationship, I accepted this proposal, telling I would like to stay the child with you, because he was the only person that I was allowed to be the child with. And this I think I got from a very elderly couple that I once met in one of my solo trips. I used to do a lot of solo
अच्छा?
backpacking here earlier in the
कहाँ
days.
जाती थी तुम?
Very few locations in South. I mean, in India. Sorry, in South. No, in India, I've been to Himachal. I've been to Vagaman. I've been to Cherrapunji. I've been to very few locations.
Vagaman, I have also been there.
Yeah, and my trips never used to be like, I take money, I go there, I spend there, and I come back. No, I do backpacking like with very little money. Like I probably carry 1,500 rupees on me, and I go there. I volunteer in places like I do farming. I do
1,500.
Yeah, just that, just enough for me. to
1,500
reach-
रुपए में
Just enough.
हो जाता है तुम्हारा.
Just enough for me to reach there. After that, I
यार तुम
work
तो
there.
मैरिज मटेरियल हो. 1,500 रुपए में तुम ट्रिप पे मार लेती तो.
See, yeah, so I just take money enough just to reach there. After reaching there, I volunteer. I volunteer in hostels. I volunteer in farming. I volunteer in agriculture. Just being there, earning wages like 50, 60 rupees a day, and I still be very happy. So during one of such trips, one very elderly couple, they should be easily at their 80s. So they didn't have children, and every day I see them, they come as a couple, they work as a couple, they're very happy together, more happy than a couple in their honeymoon phase. So one day I used to always sit with them, have lunch together. One day I asked them, what's that one thing that made you stick to each other? You don't have children.
Alimony.
Yeah, you don't have children, you don't have a lot of wealth. But I never have seen you. In that 15 days that I've seen him, I've never once have seen them frown or fight. I've seen them fight, not as in the fight like the fight that we have in these days, but they still do fight. But
Lack of options, no? Because they're old, so the lack of options keeps them together.
it's been a very long time since I've gotten flattered like this, guys. So it feels nice for my soul. So let me finish the story that I actually told. So they do fight with each other, but not the kind of fight that we have. Yes, of course, options. Unavailability of options is one of the major things. Dadi told me something.
Your dadi.
That Dadi.
Oh.
That couple that I met, that Dadi told me something, that throughout her life, she got married when she was 14 years old, all right? And I met them at their 80s. So I asked her, what is that is making them happy, irrespective of them not having children, them not having wealth or whatever it is. She told me in her life that she always, throughout her life, she always wanted to have colored cotton candy, all right? Colored cotton candy used to be a big thing in their days. I didn't know that. So she always wanted to ask that to her parents, and her parents never got her that because of their wealth. Because it used to be 50 paise, and 50 paise for them is a huge thing. The first person to get her that was this grandpa, the
Dada.
the Dada, her husband. And from that day, she said, when that was the first gift he has gotten her after their wedding. And from that day, she slowly let out the kid she's always hid from the family because of responsibility and everything. She started letting it out to him. And that's the same way with him. When I asked him, he said, the first person to ask him if he is 8 was Dadi. Every other person in this family always used to ask him, was your work done? Because they work for daily wages. Okay, was your work done right? What was your wages today? What was the work today? And tomorrow what work you're going to be doing? Nobody ever asked him if he ate, if he is happy. First person to ask those questions to him was the Dadi. So they told me the reason that the relationship is happy, irrespective of not having children or wealth, which is now considered as the determining factor for happiness, irrespective of not having either of them, they're still happy, is because they feel the children that they are born as in this world is alive when they're with each other. So The magic quotient is not growing old with somebody. The magic quotient is remaining a kid with somebody. A very foresight of my eyes, I don't feel anybody as hot as Siddharth is. But that doesn't deny the fact that I've met other
500 रुपए में इतनी तारीफें कभी नहीं देखी मैंने.
Although, irrespective of how hot Siddharth is, you know what is more hotter? HMD Vibe 5G. Phone that is apart from future.
HMD.
You may cast me as your brand ambassador. I wouldn't deny.
नहीं इतने से चला लेंगे काम.
And you know what? Vibe is the name of. I used to name all my vehicles. So I had a name for my first scooter. I had a name for my first car, my second car, and my current car. Vibe was the name of my first car. He was an i10. He was a red color. Red color
Yeah,
i10.
I also named my ex-girlfriend something like that. Wife.
Wife name. Vibe.
Right. It's so amazing. Okay, चलो अब मेरे को बताओ.
So let me ask you a question, Siddharth.
Oh,
You've
reverse-
always been asking questions.
Reverse Uno card.
Let me put you on the hot seat.
Reverse Uno card.
So,
Okay.
what-
Guys, this is what you call podcast का reverse Uno card.
So, if you want to paint a color to your vibe that the world doesn't know, but you know, right?
हाँ.
What is the color?
Orange.
Orange.
When I was 4 years old, तो हमारी
You
क्लास.
still look like a 4-year-old.
आपको
Siddharth.
पता है ये बात. मेरे क्लास में एक वो हुआ जैसे फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन होता है ना, तो हर बच्चा कुछ ना कुछ बना. मैं बना O फॉर ऑरेंज. तो मैंने ऑरेंज कपड़े पहने थे और मेरे को O का वो बनाया था बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी वाइट एंड बॉल्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई बिकेम O फॉर ऑरेंज.
Okay.
So I think orange is my color because every time I see orange color, I want to buy orange color.
Siddharth is a die-hard fan of Trump. Do you know that?
Orange is the new black.
No, I'm just telling you.
But,
Just stating the fact.
But तुम्हारा भी तो favorite कहीं ना कहीं orange है.
मेरी favorite red है. Same family. Same family. I wouldn't deny it.
Same cat family.
Same cat family, yeah. I think even if I sing a song in Tamil, it will be a dishonor to music.
अरे चलो तुम
itself.
तमिल का कहो, मैं हिंदी का गाता हूँ. Something which you think you can do the best.
Neither. Singing is never the best of me. I'm
Try singing. Everybody
bad
can do.
at singing.
Just okay.
I'm a
Close your
bad-
eyes and feel it. You'll do it. Trust me.
अजनबी हवाएं बेकरार ना 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 ना
ये तमिल है? No.
See, is this podcast genuine or is it scripted?
Scripted है, बहुत ज़्यादा scripted है.
Scripted?
आपको सारी script दी है ना हमने?
But nobody gave me a script.
हाँ, तो that's what I'm saying. Why would you ask me that?
No.
Did I give you a script?
No, you didn't. But
फिर?
why would somebody say action before going to something
Because
very genuine?
नहीं, because action क्या होता है? They tell you कि now our cameras are rolling.
Then rolling
Sweetheart, come
बोलना
on.
चाहिए ना?
साउथ में इससे ज़्यादा knowledge होनी चाहिए. Come on. ये फिल्म मेकिंग इससे ज़्यादा knowledge होनी चाहिए.
Just pulling your legs.
हाँ, चलो पूछो रिवर्स सुनो क्वेश्चन अपना.
So this is a very interesting question. I think a lot of Siddharth's fans will want to know about this. Tell us about something that is dark and that is not known to the outside world from Big Boss.
I'll tell you something. Okay. Dark.
Something that is dark and something that is hot, spicy,
Okay.
that is not known to the
Okay.
outside world.
Before going to Big Boss, I didn't know how to pay my next rent. MTV had fired me. Nobody knows this. MTV had fired me. मेरी एक जॉब होती थी 3 साल के लिए MTV के साथ. अभी रघु आ रहा है. रघु बता सकते सबको. अगले एपिसोड में या पिछले एपिसोड में हमको पता चल जाएगा. उससे पूछ लूँगा मैं. I was on a 75,000 rupees job every month. I got a dog for myself. I got a car. Accent ली थी मैंने हुंडई accent. ठीक है. मेरे को MTV ने जॉब से निकाल दिया था और मैं बहुत रोता था एवरी डे. और मेरे को रघु एवरी डे यही बोलता था कि दारू नहीं पिएगा तू, बिकॉज उसको ये लगता था कि ये दारू पिएगा साला जाके. तो वो टाइम बड़ा डार्क हो गया था लाइफ में. पता नहीं था कि अब अगली पेमेंट कहाँ से आएगी, बिकॉज उस टाइम में इंस्टाग्राम नहीं था.
People of this generation are very.
यार हमारे टाइम पे इंस्टाग्राम नहीं था, कुछ
Yeah,
नहीं
it was
था.
not
आज की
there.
डेट में इंस्टाग्राम पे लाख रुपए मिल जाते हैं आपको अगर थोड़े बहुत फॉलो होना.
True.
मेरे को नहीं पता था मेरा नेक्स्ट पेचेक कहाँ से आएगा. मेरे पास एक छोटा कुत्ता था, एक घर था संभालने को, एक हुंडई एक्सेंट थी, उसमें पेट्रोल लगाना था. तो मुझे नहीं पता था. मेरे को MTV ने निकाल दिया एकदम से. तो वो टाइम जो था ना बहुत डार्क था. तो उसमें ये नहीं पता था कि अगला पैसा कहाँ से लाएंगे. ठीक है. कॉल सेंटर में काम करें, किसी का पैसा चुराएं, क्या करें? तो वो बहुत डार्क टाइप था। उसके बाद भी जो है ना डार्क चीजें आई लाइफ में, बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, जब सबको पता होता है कि आज आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है पैसों का, दे विल ऑफर यू शिट विच इज इलीगल, immoral, unethical.
It is.
That becomes a dark time for you because why I say dark time is because you give it a thought कि यार कर लूँ क्या?
I think it's a very sensible thing that you've said because we as actors and we as cinema people, see if you see somebody who's lost his job while working in an IT firm who's got crores and crores of wealth, you see him lose his job, you still feel sympathized for him, you still empathize him, you'll think, oh my god, he's lost his job, how is he going to take care of his expenses, how is he going to take care of the family? But when an artist or when somebody in cinema loses their job or is without a job for a long time, because let's face it, cinema is not just all roses and reds like it has been portrayed to you. It is a lot more thorns and a lot more pains and cuts than it has been shown. So when a cinema person runs out of money, when a cinema person runs out of a job, a bare minimum sympathy that is even available to somebody who's homeless on the street is not available to a cinema person, right? That's a pathetic thing about being in this job.
Let's say there's all the sympathy in the world.
Yes.
We're gonna move to a segment जो इंडियन टेलीविजन पे आज तक नहीं आया है, बहुत ही नया और अनोखा सेगमेंट है, इसका नाम है रैपिड फायर। आप ऐसे क्यों हंस रहे हो यार?
It sounds very new. As first time.
बहुत ही नया और
बहुत
अनोखा।
नया है।
हाँ, इसमें पता है, किसी को नहीं पता इसमें क्या होता है। इसमें क्या होता है मैं बताता हूँ। इसमें मैं एक वर्ड बोलूंगा और आपके मन में जो
हिंदी
भी
में और अंग्रेजी में?
मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलूंगा।
हाँ।
और आपको साउथ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री से
हाँ
जो भी दिमाग में आता है,
हाँ
आपको वो बोलना है, ठीक है?
ओके ठीक है
Okay?
Yep.
So, you know what? Because you're all about colors, so I'm gonna say a few colors,
ओके
and you have to name a South Indian star.
ओके
Okay?
Does that include me?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't
All right.
worry. Yeah.
The first one. Very easy. Rainbow.
That is not easy at all. I think I would say a character rather than a star. I would say Kamal Hassan sir and Avay Shanmugi played that very beautifully. I would say a character than a star. No, he played that very beautifully.
But he's also a star.
He
Who played a
is
character.
the star.
Yeah.
What are you talking? He is the star.
Green.
Green. I think I always associate green with something nice, something evergreen, something always, something that gives you a great positive feel. So that I think I'll go for that with superstar Rajnikant.
Now my favorite, orange.
Orange. I think orange is something vibrant, that is dashing, that tends to stay vibrant always. I think I'll go with Ilayya Thalapathy Vijay. So
Wow. Okay. You know what? We always have a winner. Within like amongst two people, when we have two guests, we have a winner. But lucky for you, we only have one guest. You're the winner for that, and here you go.
Okay.
You have the HMD Y5G mobile phone. This is for you.
Okay.
All right.
So I've got the HMD Vibe 5G, the mobile of the future.
Now, one last question.
Now you better pay me, okay, for this as well.
You're getting paid in a lot of ways.
Me
What
will
is
go.
that one takeaway or one message you would like to give your audience before you leave the show?
See, all of us tend to discriminate always as South Indian films, North Indian films, and all those. Let's credit all of us. There are a lot of North Indian technicians working in South India, a lot of North Indian technicians working in, South Indian technicians working in North India. It's Indian cinema, end of the day. Let's all love and motivate each of us. It's never a discrimination unless and until you want to see a discrimination.
So beautiful. कितनी सुंदर है ये, मतलब मेरी मम्मी को कितनी इडलियां खानी पड़ेंगी पूरी लाइफ। Thank you so much.
Thank you, Siddharth.
I really I feel this was one of the best episodes we had on It's a Vibe with Siddharth.